So welcome back. So in this session, we'll learn about how to use the in keyword with the if statement. So let's get started. So here, let's say we have a list which consists of some programming languages. Let's say Python, JavaScript, Java, Go. And we'll take an user input. Let's say favorite language. So which would be basically, it should be input. And we'll say, what is your favorite language? And based on the user input, we will do some operation. We'll say if favorite language in my list, we'll say print your favorite language is present, else print no languages found. Okay, so here we have a list. So in this list we have a list of programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, Go. And then here we are taking a user input. We're asking what is your favorite language, and then based on the language we're checking if this favorite language is in the list. If the favorite language is in the list, then we're saying your favorite language is present, else no language is found. Okay, so let's run this code. So here let's say Python, but I wrote Python here, but it says no language is found. So why is that? So that is because the string which I've entered here, Python, it has a P in small letter, but my list, the Python in my list is in capital letter. So that is the reason why the string doesn't matches, as I told you in the previous section. So here, if I say Python in capital now, so it's say your favorite language is present. Okay, so this is one way we can use if with in. So if this is in this list, or it can be a dictionary, or it can be a set, or it can be a tuple. So if this is in this, then we'll do something, else we'll be doing something. So this is it from this session. Hope to see you in the next session. Bye bye.